Just like many of you, my first Marvel movie was Spider-Man, but it was much later in life with Avengers Endgame that I started to realize that how the laws of physics has been seamlessly interwoven with the Marvel universe. Today, let's go into an exciting journey and find out that how the laws of physics and scientific principles have been used as a lens while deciphering the Marvel universe as well as the awe-inspiring power of the superheroes. The concept of multiverse has been central in many of the Marvel movies. Theories like string theory, quantum mechanics open up the possibilities of multiple universes and the different physical laws that are followed in this universe. While scientists are still to find out, but this opens up intriguing possibilities which the Marvel has creatively explored. Now let's turn our attention to the fantastical power of Iron Man and his awesome suit. The suit represents an integration between artificial intelligence, engineering and material science. Though we are yet to make an arc reactor, but the advancements in nanotechnology and exoskeletons will be soon giving us a suit that will be able to increase the human strength and endurance. How can I forget about our most lovable character of the Marvel universe, which is the Spider-Man? While his wall-hanging abilities, his agility and his web shooters may appear like magic, it has a deep-rooted laws of physics behind it. It works on the principle of van der Waals forces, adhesion and the biological attention of the body. This is just the beginning of the debate. Next time when you watch a Marvel movie, remember that behind all that superhero powers, all that fantastical wonders, there lies a thread of physics that makes the truth appear stranger than fiction and all the impossibilities a possibility.